the digit by digit division method, and it has 2 digits in the divisor. So you're going to estimate the divisor first by thinking, is 18 closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? Since this is closer to 20, I'm going to put the 20 above it and just kind of put it in parentheses like that, so it's what I'm thinking about. The next step is to think, can 20 go into 1? No. Can 20 go into the next number, which would be 10? No. So I'm going to go to the third digit. Can 20 go into 106? Yes. So 106 is my next number that I'm going to round. So I think, okay, 106 is closer to 110. So off to the side here, I'm going to put 20 into 110. And I'm going to think about how many 2's. Now that I have 2 zeros, I go back to my zeros and I think, okay, I can take those off for a minute and think, how many times can 2 go into 11? 2 can go into 11 5 times. Since there's a 0 here and a 0 here, I don't have to worry about either of those. So that means that 20 goes into 110 about 5 times. That means that over here, 18 will go into 106 about 5 times. So now I'm actually going to do the exact multiplication. Instead of using my estimates, I'm going to think 5 times 18 equals what? So I'm going to put that up over to the side. 18 times 5 equals 90.
Okay.
And then subtract. And for the subtraction, I've been saying a lot, you might want to just count up to 90 to 100 is 10, and then there's 6 more there. So it's 16, which that means that I guessed my correct, or I estimated the correct number, because 18 is higher, so it can't go into 16. So that means I guessed enough here. Next, I drag down my 1. And I do the same thing again. I guess how many 20s can go into this. So I'm going to estimate this number again. Off to the side, think how many 20s can go into about 160. Instead of 161, I'm going to use 160, because now I have this 0 and this 0 that I can take off for a minute and think how many 2's will go into 16. 8 2's will go into 16. So that means that 18 can go into this number 8 times. So I put my 8 up here, and now I'm going to do my exact multiplication for 8 times the 18 off to the side.
I think we might be losing space.
Oh, that's okay. And I get 144, and then I do my subtraction, and I get